IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic and spiro compounds. Bicyclic compounds are polyalicyclic compounds having two rings in it. Examples. Few terms related to bicyclic compounds. First one is bridgehead carbon. Carbon atoms which are common to both the rings are called as bridgehead carbon. In a bicyclic compound, we will have two bridgehead carbons in this molecule. This carbon is common to this ring as well as to this ring. So this is one bridgehead carbon and this is another bridgehead carbon. Second term is bridge, a bond or chain of carbon connecting the two bridgeheads. This is one bridge, this is second bridge, this is third bridge. In a bicyclic compound, we will have three bridges. General IUPAC name for bicyclic compound is bicyclo X dot Y dot Z alkane, where X is greater than Y, which is greater than Z. X indicates the number of carbon atoms in the longest bridge. Y indicates the number of carbon atoms in the second longest bridge. Z indicates the number of carbon atoms in the smallest bridge. Example, this is the bridgehead carbon, another bridgehead carbon. This is one bridge which has two carbon atoms. Second bridge which has zero carbon atoms. Third bridge which has three carbon atoms. So the IUPAC name will be bicyclo. Inside the square bracket, highest number is 3, 2, 0, close the bracket. Alkane indicates the number of carbon atoms in the bicyclic compound. Here we have 4 plus 3, 7, so heptane. To get the name of alkane quickly, just add 2 carbon atoms to this number, 3 plus 2 plus 2. So the IUPAC name is bicyclo 320 heptane. Applying the same logic to this molecule, in this bridge we have 4 carbon atoms, 0 in this bridge, 1 carbon atom here. So the IUPAC name is bicyclo 410 heptane. Here in all the three bridges we have 2 carbon atoms. So XYZ is 2.2.2. IUPAC name will be bicyclo 222 octane. Here we are having 6 carbon atoms in this bridge, 0 here, 4 here. IUPAC name will be bicyclo 640. Alkane name will be 6 plus 4 plus 2, that is 12. So dodecane, bicyclo 640 dodecane. Whenever substituents are present in the bicyclic system, we should indicate their position by numbering. We should start from the bridgehead carbon and move to the longest bridge. Between these two bridgehead carbon, we will choose this one so that this substituent will get the lowest locant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Secondary prefix will be 3,7 dimethyl. Then bicyclo 4.1.0, 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7, heptane. IUPAC name is 3,7-dimethyl bicyclo-410 heptane. There should not be any gap or space between the words. In this molecule, we have two bridges of same length. Here we have 4 carbon atoms in the bridge, here 2, here 4. But between the keto and alcohol functional group, keto takes the priority. So after starting from the bridgehead carbon, we should move towards the ketone. Now alcohol group acts as the prefix, ketone will act as the suffix. Secondary prefix is 9-hydroxy, bicyclo, 4.4.2, 4 plus 4 plus 2 10 plus 2 12. Dodec will be the root word. Ane will be the primary suffix. One is the secondary suffix. Since one is not a terminal functional group, we should indicate its position, that is 3-one. Since one starts with the vowel, we should drop the E of primary suffix. IUPAC name will be 9-hydroxy bicyclo 442 dodecane 3-one. Let's move on to spiro compounds now. Spiro compounds will have two rings that are fused by a quaternary carbon. Quaternary carbon is that carbon which is further connected to 4 more carbons and will not have any hydrogens on it. This is the one in this case. General IUPAC name of spiro compound is spiro X.Y alkane, where X is less than Y. X indicates the number of carbon atoms in the shortest bridge. Y indicates the number of carbon atoms in the longest bridge. Example, this is the quaternary carbon. In this bridge we have 2 carbon atoms. Here we have 5 carbon atoms. So the IUPAC name will be spiro 2.5. To find out the name of alkane, we have to add these two plus 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. So octane. This indicates the number of carbon atoms in the spiro compound. 6 here plus 2, 8. IUPAC name is spiro 2,5 octane. Let us apply the same logic to these 4 molecules. Here in the bridge we have 3, here also 3. So numbers are 3.3. Alkane name is 3 plus 3 plus 1, that is 7, heptane. IUPAC name will be spiro 3.3 heptane. With this molecule, we have 4 carbon atoms in both the bridges. So 4.4. Alkane name is 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. IUPAC name will be spiro 4.4 nonane. Coming to this molecule, 4 on this bridge, 2 on this bridge. Numbers will be 2.4. Alkane is 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. IUPAC name is spiro 2,4 heptane. In this molecule, we have 5 carbon atoms in both the bridges. So the number is 5.5. Alkane name is 5 plus 5 plus 1, 11. That is undecane. IUPAC name is Spiro 5.5 undecane. When we have substituents on the Spiro compound, we should be indicating their position in the IUPAC name. To number the Spiro compounds, we should start from the atom next to the spirocarbon in the smaller ring, and then we should move in the same direction via the spirocarbon to the other ring. If we do in this is the smaller ring. We should start from this atom. Secondary prefix is 4-methyl. Spiro 2.5 octane. IUPAC name will be 4-methyl spiro 2.5 octane. Here, this is the smaller ring, this is the bigger one. If we start numbering from this carbon, now we should move upwards. So the functional group gets the lowest number. IUPAC name will be Spiro 3 dot. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 atoms. So 3.7. Root word is undec. Primary suffix is ane. Secondary suffix is 6-one. We should drop the e of primary suffix. IUPAC name will be Spiro 37 undecane 6-one. We are done with the course. All the best.